practice every day. That is the best way to learn English.
Emily, you study English every day.
Yes, Mom. I want to speak English confidently.
Oh, Alex is calling. Hello, Alex. How are you? I am fine, but I feel bored at home. Let's go to the shopping mall today. That sounds exciting. Hello, Emily. Hello, Alex. Welcome.
Hello, Alex. Are you ready for the mall?
Yes, Auntie.
Today we practice English while shopping. Learning while shopping will be fun.
Learning happens everywhere.
Wow. This mall is huge. There are many shops here. First, we go to the grocery store. Oh, there are so many stores. This is the grocery store.
Let's go inside. Take a basket.
These apples look fresh. I like bananas.
Bananas are healthy.
Wow, so many chocolates. Don't eat too many chocolates. Okay, just one. Oh no, my wallet.
Let's search for it.
Is this your wallet? Is this your wallet?
Yes, thank you.
Honesty is very important.
I want chocolate ice cream. I choose strawberry. I choose strawberry. Mango.
Oh, mango for me.
I learned 2 things today. This mall has many interesting places. Look, that clothing store looks beautiful.
There are so many clothes here.
This dress looks very pretty.
Quality clothes last longer.
I like this green shirt. Should I try this?
Yes, go to the fitting room. This dress suits you well. Wow, a toy store.
This place looks magical. This robot can move and talk. Toys can also help you learn. This puzzle teaches spelling.
I want to try solving it.
Teamwork makes learning easier.
You both are doing great.
Look at all these toys.
Wow, what's that over there?
Mom's here.
I have a little surprise for you both.